I need to change to the best sparrow in the game for this.
Is it the Mako Mini?
I'm so
Yeah.
upset I don't know.
I'm so excited to be able to buy that for Brad Just and then be able to
Oh,
flex
when's
on everyone
that?
to buy it for silver.
No, this
Solstice.
is.
Was it?
You only get fallen from this chest,
I
right?
just
Yeah.
want it
Yeah.
to have a little beep beep horn.
Yeah, it should.
So if we screw up, we wipe. Right, yeah.
Well,
Pretty much.
yes. That's
If
how
we miss
this
a
works.
button,
Well, we don't do it.
Miss the button, you die.
We don't miss buttons, and if we do miss a button, we just
You
wipe.
die.
I'll get the first button.
Excuse me.
we're starting. Every time I do this, I secretly hope that like I die halfway through, so I don't have to
You just
do
ate
this
kick.
stressful bit.
Just
So
love that for
amazing.
you. Why not just die? Just accept it, you know, just be like,
Top's done.
Ams is
Sorry.
trying to get
You
killed.
pushed me up there.
Well, I'm gonna blame Ams.
Good.
Can I get 3 of you?
No!
Here we go.
I'll get top.
Bottom.
Ams, I blame you.
Oh.
I'm getting left or
I
right.
wish there was a
I'll go
button
left.
click to like
Okay.
look behind you in your sparrow.
That'd be good actually.
Ah!
I wish there was more space you could do tricks. on
Goodbye,
the ground.
Cash.
Are you at you?
Am I
That
Oh
worked
no,
out
my
well.
vehicle blew up!
No, I don't want
I saw
responsibility.
that now.
Dell.
I don't know what knocks me
Jello.
back. I hate when
Why
Jelly,
do
you
you
get
not
that.
have an instant
My
summon?
gun, because the one, it blew up, so I've got an instant summon, it just
Jello,
exploded.
can you get the button?
Oh, okay, yep, I'm killing myself for this.
Did you get the button?
Oh, no, I
Did you get the
did
button?
get it, my corpse got it.
Amazing.
This is what happens because Caleb said he didn't want to do it. And he
Well, I
wanted
don't
to
think
die.
I don't think
You're
I'm
gonna
far.
not fuck,
I don't
you're
think
gonna
I'm far
fuck
enough
this up
ahead.
now.
He's
So
too
we
close
can-
behind
You
me. I
are
don't think
far
I
enough
can-
ahead. Just
No, you
put
are.
your foot
You're fine.
down. Don't be
Just
a
try not to
coward.
clip onto anything. Oh, you might clip here. Fine.
It's gonna be awkward
Off
once you...
Sparrow.
What the
What the
fuck am I watching? Warlock. Kick this man. Kick him. Kick him.
Of course, a warlock made it to the end. Absolute trash tier.
When you jump off your sparrow, you can no longer get any more height.
Yeah, because you're a warlock.
Warlock, absolute dumps. Just
Should have blinked.